Frontier 1326, radar contact lost. Frontier 1326, you hear this transmission, radar contact was lost, and we got the transponder back now. If you hear this transmission, ident. Frontier 1326, ident observed. Are you able to transmit at this time? Frontier 1326, descended pilot discretion, maintain 8,000. Frontier 1326, descended pilot discretion, maintain 7,000, respond with an ident. Frontier 1326, ident observed. You'll be following traffic that's landing 26 left, currently 12 o'clock and 19 miles. It's a heavy Boeing 777 out of 8,000. I'm just going to turn you and use ident for your responses. Continue your present heading. Our Frontier 1326, we're going to make you number 1 for the runway. The heavy's going to be breaking out. So descend and maintain 6,300, respond with an ident. Frontier 1326, ident observed. Frontier 1326, descend and maintain 5,500. Frontier 1326, ident observed. Frontier 1326, turn left hang 350. Frontier 1326, the airport is 9 o'clock and 13 miles. If you have the airport in sight, ident. Frontier 1326, no ident observed. Expect the ILS 26 left approach. I'll have a vector for you momentarily. Frontier 1326, turn left hang 2806 miles from Reland, maintain 5,000 to establish on the localizer, cleared ILS 26 left approach. Frontier 1326, ident observed. Frontier 1326, looks like your intercept and localizer fine, and there's no traffic between you and the airport this time. Just continue inbound on the ILS. Frontier 1326, the tower advises 26 left, clear to land, acknowledge with ident. Frontier 1326, clear to land, wind 030 at 4. Clear to land, 26 left. And Frontier 1326, ident observed. You can monitor frequency 126.975.
Frontier 1326, wind is calm, runway 26 left, clear to land. Red Dog 40, your discretion, proceed on runway 26 right. Red Dog 40, proceed on runway 26 right. Red Dog 40, immediately proceed on runway 26 right at your discretion, no need to acknowledge.
Emergency aircraft, Red Dog 40, can I have an update? What's going on inside?
Red Dog 40, they're unable to transmit to you. They're unable to transmit.
Las Vegas Tower, Red Dog 40. If you have any communication with the pilot, would you get an update of what's going on inside?
Red Dog 40, we have no communication with the pilot whatsoever. His radios are out. We have no communication with the pilot.
Red Dog.
Hey, what's going on back there? Can you guys hear us, Frontier Flight 1326?
Frontier Flight 1326, Frontier Flight 1326. If you can acknowledge anything on this emergency frequency, vehicles, personnel are standing by.
Okay, what do they see outside?
Okay, they got a fire in the right engine. They're putting it on the right side, fire in the right engine. I'm not sure if your gear is collapsed, but they've closed that runway behind you.
Okay, we're going to evacuate here on the runway momentarily. We've got a checklist run.
Here,
this is Red Dog unit. Fire looks out at this point. Fire looks out at this point.
Frontier 5, they say they acknowledge the fire's out at this time. It appears to be on the right side of the airplane. They put it out right now. They're still spraying.
Okay, we're going to evacuate Flight 1326.
Flight 1726, roger.